Hi, this is Chris Escato with Salamander, and we're here at CEDIA 2023. And here we have our Huddle Lite. So this Huddle Lite comes in two different standard sizes. So we have a 4x4, as you see here, but also a 4x5 tabletop as well. Now, underneath here, there's a wire trough that goes the entire length of the table. So you can get a lot of different cut-ins. Over here, we have our cut-in, which is the wireless charger. It also has 3 USBs. But you can specify your own cut-ins from FSR, Crestron, Extron, and we will coordinate those cut-ins so it comes to you ready to drop in those cut-ins, so that way you don't have to cut anything on the job site. Now, this also has one of our display mounts. So the Huddle Lite, you can go either no display mount or a single display mount. Our standard Huddle can go up to 2 display mounts. Now, this is also a cafe height. You can get this at sitting height as well. If you'd like to know more, just go to salamandercommercial.com.